A movie shows someone walking across a wooden floor, but those footsteps may have been performed weeks after filming ended. Who creates them? A door slams, a glass breaks, someone grabs a jacket. None of those sounds necessarily came from the original scene. A specialist recreates them in sync with the picture. That specialist is a Foley artist. In the Foley Grail, author and professional Foley artist Vanessa Thiemerman explains how artists create convincing sounds using props, movement, timing, and performance. A Foley artist watches the footage and physically performs sounds, sometimes using objects that have nothing to do with what appears on screen. A pair of shoes can become a character's footsteps. A piece of fabric can become a completely different sound. There is no mandatory degree. Film, audio, sound design, or production training can help, but practical experience is crucial. Berkeley specifically recommends building experience through short and independent films. You need exceptional listening, timing, physical coordination, creativity, sound recording, basic acoustics, and attention to tiny details. Foley artists work in film, television, animation, games, podcasts, and post-production studios. Many work freelance. US salary estimates vary widely, with Salary.com reporting about $67,453 annually, while union production rates differ by project and contract. You watch the actor move. The Foley artist watches the movement and performs the sound your brain believes was already there. The Foley Grail, The Art of Performing Sound for Film, Games, and Animation by Vanessa Thiemerman.